So when you're cutting off kernels of corn from the cobs, don't throw away the cobs. This makes a delicious corn stock. It's very simple and easy to make, and it is delicious as a base for any dish where you may want to maximize the flavor of corn. Now, this is perhaps the simplest recipe in all of cooking school. 5 or 6 corn cobs, kernels removed, 1 large onion. I'm using a big white onion that's peeled and cut into quarters. This just goes right into the pot, and add 8 cups of water or so. This will give you a really flavorful corn stock, which can be kept in the refrigerator for 4 or 5 days, but frozen for up to 3 months. Bring this to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cook for 45 minutes. You can flavor risotto with it, corn chowders, any kind of chowders, also tortilla soup. Very tasty. You'll enjoy it. Simple as that. Good corn chowder. There are, by the way, about 90 million acres of land planted with corn in the United States, but only about 1% of that is sweet corn, the kind that we like to eat off the cob. So once this is cooked for about 45 minutes, turn it off and pour it into a strainer. This is my favorite way to pour a large amount of bulky stuff. Just hold the cover so all the corn cobs and those onions stay right in the pot. And here you have a nice, clear, extremely fragrant, corny stock. I love how something as simple as this can be so utterly delicious.